This is the final video to fix corrupted iPhone photos when transferring large files to PC. And if you've ever lost pictures or seen broken files, you know how frustrating it can be. Are your photos showing errors or not opening after moving them to your computer? This usually happens because the transfer process can get interrupted or the file format gets mixed up, especially with big batches of pictures. Most tutorials on YouTube or social media make it super complicated with multiple apps or confusing settings. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that works every time and keeps your photos safe. All you need is a quick setting adjustment and the right transfer method to prevent corruption. No extra software required. If you want, I can make a full step-by-step guide to show exactly how to do it. So comment below and let me know,